To validate a Google Analytics tracking ID, start by understanding what a tracking ID is. A tracking ID is a unique identifier assigned to a Google Analytics property, used to collect and analyze data about website interactions. First, log in to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Admin section. In the Property column, select the property for which you want to validate the tracking ID. Next, click on Tracking Info and then Tracking Code. Your tracking ID will be displayed under the Website Tracking section. It should be in the format UAXXXXXX, where X represents a series of numbers. To validate the tracking ID, you need to check if it is correctly installed on your website. You can do this by using the Google Tag Assistant extension for Chrome. Install the Google Tag Assistant extension. Navigate to your website and click on the extension icon. The Tag Assistant will scan your website and provide a report on the Google tags installed, including the Google Analytics tracking ID. If the tracking ID is correctly installed, the Tag Assistant will display a green check mark next to the tracking ID. If there are any issues, the Tag Assistant will provide recommendations for fixing the problem. Another way to validate the tracking ID is to check the real-time reports in Google Analytics. If the tracking ID is correctly installed, you should see real-time data in the reports. To check the real-time reports, navigate to the Reports section in Google Analytics and select Real-time. If you see data in the reports, it means the tracking ID is working correctly. Best practices for validating a Google Analytics tracking ID include regularly checking the tracking ID for any issues, using the Google Tag Assistant extension to scan for problems, and monitoring the real-time reports to ensure data is being collected correctly. By following these steps, you can ensure your Google Analytics tracking ID is valid and collecting data accurately, providing valuable insights into your website interactions.